7 high-fat foods that are actually super healthy. Fat has been positioned as a dietary enemy, therefore, it is not surprising that it can get totally confusing when dietitians and doctors mention praises of what they call healthy fats. But times are changing. Studies now showed that fat, including that of saturated fat, is not the devil it was made out to be. All types of healthy foods that happen to contain fat have now been called to the superfood scene. Here are 7 healthy high-fat foods that are actually super nutritious and healthy. 7 healthy high-fat foods. 1. Avocados. One medium-sized avocado contains approximately 23 grams of fat but is primarily monounsaturated fat. Also, a medium avocado contains approximately 40% of your daily fiber needs, is a good source of lutein, which is an antioxidant that can help protect your vision and is naturally sodium and cholesterol-free. You can try enjoying it as an alternative to foods that are higher in less healthy saturated fat. You can use about 1/5 of a medium avocado to replace the mayo on your sandwich, the sour cream on your baked potato or the butter on your toast. Remember that avocados are high in calories, therefore, stick to no more than 1/4 an avocado at a time. 2. Dark chocolate. Cocoa beans have all the nutrients dark chocolate has to offer, and these include iron, calcium, potassium and vitamins A, B, and E also. It also contains theobromine, which is a powerful antioxidant reported to help in lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. But with 9 grams of fat and 150 calories, you only need 1 ounce of 60 to 70% dark chocolate. Because dark chocolate contains a sufficient amount of fat, that 1 ounce will help to keep you satisfied. 3. Eggs. Eggs are an easy source of protein and inexpensive too. People think that egg whites are a much healthier option, as compared to whole eggs because they contain less fat, but, while egg yolk contains some fat, it is also loaded with important nutrients. 1 whole egg contains about 5 grams of fat, but only 1.5 grams are saturated. Also, whole eggs are a good source of choline, as 1 egg yolk contains about 300 micrograms, which is an important B vitamin that helps in regulating the brain, cardiovascular system, and nervous system. Recent nutrition research has reported that eating cholesterol does not raise your blood cholesterol. In fact, research has associated moderate egg consumption to improved heart health. 4. Fatty fish. One of the few animal products that are healthy, is fatty fish. This includes fish including trout, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring. These fish are filled with high-quality proteins, heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and all kinds of important nutrients. Studies reported that individuals who consume fish tend to be much healthier, with a lower risk of depression, heart disease, dementia, and other common diseases. If you cannot eat fish, then taking a fish oil supplement can be handy. Cod fish liver oil is best, because this contains all the omega-3s needed, and also contains plenty of vitamin D. 5. Nuts. Nuts have many benefits, as per various studies. Nuts are rich in healthful protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and phytosterols that may help in the prevention of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. A 5-year study of more than 373,000 persons, and that was published in the European Journal of Nutrition, reported that individuals who consume nuts regularly are less likely to become overweight, obese or gain weight in the longer term. There is approximately 14 grams of fat in 1 ounce of almonds, 18.5 grams in walnuts and 19 grams in Brazil nuts. It is recommended to eat a variety of unsalted nuts to get its benefits because each type of nut contains a slightly different nutrient profile. 6. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats that are good for heart health. Also, it contains vitamin K, vitamin E, and potent antioxidants. While extra virgin olive oil has been linked with a lower risk of heart disease and death in people with a high risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Use olive oil regularly, but sparingly, in dressings and while cooking. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains about 120 calories and 14 grams of fat. 7. Tofu. Tofu is considered as a complete plant protein, while also a great source of polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. A 100 grams serving of firm tofu contains about 4 grams of fat. Also, this amount of tofu provides 1/4 of an individual's daily calcium intake, along with 11 grams of protein. You can replace red meat with tofu in your dishes in order to reduce your saturated fat intake. Also, you can use tofu to increase the protein content of your vegetarian curries and stir-fries.